Kain! JP!
Hello. Hello.
Baby picture lang dyan. Jameson. Baby picture.
Video na lang ako kay Dee.
Thanks, KD.
Ay, may titingin. Dahil kung mabot ng bayo. Paano mo mamaya? Hindi pwede mag-isip nito. Project yun.
At sa lahat ng mga tumulong, alam nyo, si Direk Jen nung sinabi sa akin na may chance na si Kira, si Jameson, at si Katie at si Alexa ang mag-lead ng pelikulang ito. Alam niya yon kung gaano ako ka-excited. I've been a believer of these talents from the very start. And kami sa Pure Gold, when we found out talaga ibang level ng excitement. So sa ating mga lead actors, na lahat nominated for acting awards ha? Lahat nominated. So congratulations talaga. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam seeing your talent on big screen. And again, maraming salamat sa lahat. Pasalamatan ko lang ang Gateway, syempre, Pure Gold, Direct, thank you. Gateway, Cineplex.
Po talaga ako kasi galing kami sa Lamay kagabi. Brilliant marketing, by the way. Last White Ultima. Sobrang salamat. Salamat sa suporta! Yun, tama po si Direk Chris kanina. So, this is what not giving up on your dreams feels like pala. Sobrang saya. Nakailang beses akong mag-try na gumawa ng pelikula. For some reason, hindi siya natutuloy. And, yeah. Nung hindi siya makapaniwala na si Kadilex, Jameson, at Kira yung magiging artista namin, hindi din po ako makapaniwala na tinanggap nila do. So, sobrang salamat sa inyo. And congratulations, by the way, sa Best Actor nominations. Thank you so much. And, bigay ko na. Thank you everyone!
Ayun, thank you ulit, Direk, for getting us. Dito ka muna, Direk. Huwag mo na umalis. Umalis bigla eh. Pero, yeah, sobrang thankful ako na ito yung debut film mo and kasama ako dito. I'm happy to be a part of one of your life's milestones. Wow, life's milestones. Thank you din to sa lahat po ng crew na nag-alaga po sa amin. Thank you to the camera crew, to the audio crew, to the utility crew. Thank you to my co-actors, Jameson, si Kira, who's in PBB, and Alexa, who's doing Liwanag sa Dilim right now. That's why they couldn't make it. Thank you so much din sa mga fans namin ni Alexa, Sweet. And of course, my cadence, yung solids ko po. Thank you so much po. And solids din ni Alexa. Thank you. Ayun. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the film. Thank you din Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival 2025 for thank you because I'm very grateful to be a part of this. This is my first time being a part of a film festival and yes, more power to everybody.
Hello everyone, good evening sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for making the time and being here to support Co-Love. I just want to say thank you to Pure Gold Cine Panalo for giving this opportunity to us to make this film, to do this film. And sayang wala si Kira and Alexa are here, pero I'm sure they would be happy to see you all here. So yeah, thanks for being here. Hope you all enjoy Co-Love.
Direk Jill, if you could please introduce your crew as well. If you have them come down here and join them on the floor so we can recognize.
Alright, sige, tawagin ko muna mga Yummy Boys. Si Jason, si Jervin, si AR, and si Ace, and si Nico. Yes, give it up guys, the Yummy Boys! And of course, Tita Cecil Bravo, who's also a part of the cast. Yan. Tonico! Si Tonico, where's Tonico? Ayun. And si... Clyde, yung host natin, and Rose. Si Miss Joyce, ang mami ni Peach. Si Miss Joyce. Ayun, ito siya. So, crew, I would like to call on Reza, our line producer, to introduce Reza. At Teresa. Nag-CR lang. Okay, palakpakan natin siya pagbalik niya. Paul Vito, our poster designer and our official photographer. Paul Vito, there you go. Miss France, of course. Oh, yan o. Rotrobam, thank you so much. Afam, and everyone. Ay, yung Juliana. Si Juliana, Ariana, Charlotte, kapatid siya ni KD sa film. Nagdoon. Oo nga. Reza. Okay, may sasabihin lang po sina Tita Cecil.
So, good evening po sa inyong lahat. First of all, thank you very much sa support nyo. At syempre nga, sabi nga, first time. Marami rin sa aming first time. Ako din first time ko. Mag-artista, oh my God. Ayan, nandito yung mga friends ko. And at least, thank you very much. yung hindi pa nakapanood, guaranteed naman maganda talaga yung grupo. It was done beautifully and all the actors and actresses na sasabihin natin na gumanap dito. They did give justice sa role nila. And yun na nga, we are praying na bukod sa talagang tangkilikin nyo to, yung di mga iba rin nating mga Pilipinong pelikula kasi pinaghirapan niya lahat ng bawat isa. And as always, thank you very much sa inyo dahil malaking tulong to sa aming lahat. God bless us all.
Okay, tatawagin ko lang po yung aming cinematographer, Director of Photography, Mr. Alex Espartero. Yun. Andito naman si Reza, tapos siya mag-CR. Si Reza, ang aming pinakamagandang live producer na nag-handle lang ang crew ko. Lex. Kwento mo na yung journey natin.
Mayayain na ako. Yun, bali, kasi bali start.